Welcome to another episode of Crabbo's Fishing Adventures. Got myself a fish here. Yeah, I think it might be a bream maybe. Or a little squire, is it? Yeah, a little squire. There's been a few of these getting around in the lake, I must admit. And I've got him on that fish arrow. Wasn't getting away. There we go. There we go, guys. I'm thinking this is a bream, isn't it? Or is it another snapper? Don't know. Oh, it's a big whiting. That's what it is. Wow. What size is this whiting? Can't believe he's taken that, eh? Oh, maybe that's what I had before, I reckon. Look at that big whiting. Taking on the clone prawn. 92 mil. Woo. That's not bad. Put a measure on that. It's a 41. It's a 41. A 41 whiting. Nice looking one, isn't it? There, mate. Oh, I missed him, I think. Bloody hell. I reckon that was a decent bream, eh? Let's throw it out there again. Something out there. Wasn't ready for that at all. Here we go. Here we go. What's taking this? I don't know, but it's weighty. Bloody hell. It's taking some drag. Come on, mate. What do we got here? Got the clone prawn on again. It's not doing much now. I don't know what this is. Got no idea. And as soon as I say that, it's off. It's a weird fight, eh? Real weird. Might be a trevally or something. Or a salmon? I don't know. Taking some string now. It's a bit odd. Very odd. Dare I say dewy? Surely not. Then again, I've never caught one on a kayak, so I've got no idea what they feel like, but I mean, there's a bit of weight there, obviously. Couldn't be, could it? I think it's a salmon. Ah, it's a little kingy. Yeah. That's what it is. It's a little kingfish. There we go. I'll be bugging. It's a kingfish. Stay in, mate. Stay in. There we go. Oh, kingy. Yeah. Happy as. He's taking that clone prawn. Right in the side of the mouth there. Let's see if we can get this out, eh? On the clone prawn. What have we got there? 67. Ah, 67 kingfish. Oi, you beauty. We'll let it go. It was a good fight. Come on, mate. You'll be right. There he goes. Well, how good was that? Wasn't sure what I had. Didn't really call a king, you know. But anyway, we'll take it. So it feels a little flat here. A little flatty. Can't see the lure though, so it's not all big though. The 40, we'll say 43. Let it go. Whee! See ya, buddy. Grabbed it. Didn't take long. As soon as it hit the water. Might be it's either a brim or a little squire, I imagine. Let's have a look here, eh? Gotta be, I reckon it's a squire, is it? Oh no, yeah, it's all squire. Hey? Ah, it's a squire. Not a bad size. There we go. Little squire. Tell you what, he's taken all that clone prawn. That's for sure. It's gonna stay in there, mate. So 38 squire. Let it go. Woo.